In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch our TV service on your PC or laptop or other device with the web player. The web player is accessed through any browser. So just open up a browser of your choice and then enter this address. mytvapps.com/web player. Then here you'll see the screen pop up for you to log in. You'll enter your username you were given and the password you were given. And then you can log in. And click Live TV. As you can see, you can scroll down through the channels. If you click here, you can make it full size. Typically for the web player, only Live TV works. The video on demand stuff typically doesn't work. And here's the different categories available. You can switch categories. So that's how you can use the web player with your PC or laptop to view our TV service.